Hello, my name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is April 11th. And this is a front lawn that I've just thatched, aerated, and seeded, and fertilized. I call this my full meal deal. The temperature may break 60 degrees today, but it's supposed to get real nice this week. Get up to maybe 70 degrees. Lately, we've been lucky to break 50. So I have just started thatching lawns. And I know my competitors have been out thatching lawns for about a month or so, but man, if a yard's not going to heal, seed germination starts 50 degrees with perennial ryegrass and fescue in a laboratory, and boy, it just has not been very warm here. So this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at this lawn. Oh, I also put on some soil amendment. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And this is a lawn that I previously thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized, and I believe I put some amendment on here and a little bit of lime. And I did this lawn April 11th, I believe, and today is May 13th. And I just wanted to show you the work. This is the quality of the work that I do. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company. And thank you very, very much for watching my videos. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.